All right, this is how to navigate through Lightroom. So first of all, we got to open up Lightroom. And I already have it opened up to some photos that I put in there. But let me just go ahead and I'm going to click on these little books over here. It's kind of like your files. And it says My Photos. If you put your cursor over it, it says My Photos. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to click on that, and it's going to give you all your photos are recently added. And then it has by date and some other ways. And these are the ones that you deleted. So I've deleted 50 of them. They'll stay there for 60 days, and after 60 days, they're history. So let's just go to recently added, and I'm going to go to yesterday. It's going to bring those up. And then if I go a little bit earlier in yesterday, it brings up these. And then if I go a little bit earlier, bam, these are the ones that I want to go through. All right, so to navigate through these, there's a couple different ways you can do it. Right now I've got it in a grid, as you can see. But if you come down to the bottom, it's got a couple different ways you can look at it. Here's one of the photo grids. It's called the G photo grid. I'm going to click on it. And it makes them a little bit bigger, and there's not too much of a border on it. So you can navigate that way, or you can go to the regular grid, which gives you this bigger option. And you can do things like, check them. You can, mark them that you don't like them, or if you like them, give them a couple stars. And then you can go here, and what this does is it opens up just that one photo that's highlighted, right? So let's go back to the grid again. And then if I go up here, I can click on this, and then I can come back down and I can open that way, or come back to the grid by clicking there. Now, if I want to open up a photo using my cursor, I can just put my cursor over it, and I can double click, and it opens it up. If I want to close it, I can double click, and it closes it. So that's a quick shortcut how to do it. If you want to go through them, you can go down to your keyboard, and you can hit the right arrow on the right corner, and it just moves them through. You see how it highlights them as I go? And if I want to go the other way, I go to the left arrow, and I just go back that way. Now, if I double click on this, I can also do the same thing with the arrow. I can go through the photos by clicking the right arrow. Or if I want to go back, I can click the left arrow, and it brings me back. And then if I want to get out of it, I can double click with the mouse, or I could have come down here and I could have hit the grids and changed it that way. So that's the way you navigate through your photos in Photoshop. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff in Photoshop. Peace out. Or I should say Lightroom.